Hi, I am Chelsea with the Oregon Department of Revenue. I'm going to talk about how to fill out the Authorization to Receive Tax Information form to authorize the Oregon Department of Revenue to disclose your confidential tax information to your designee. We recommend you review the instructions before completing the form. Make sure you print clearly, complete the entire form, and use blue or black ink. Here's more information.
Part 1 is where you'll put your information or your business information. Fill out your phone number. If you're completing the form as an individual taxpayer, include the last four of your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Or if it's for a business, include the business identification number or federal employer identification number. Next, make sure to completely fill out your address. It'll need to match the address we have on file. So if you need to update your address on file, make sure to do so before submitting the form. Part 2 is where you will list your designee. You are authorizing your designee to access all tax years and all tax programs unless you limit it in Part 3 of this form. Write your designee's name and phone number. Below, if applicable, add the firm, organization, or agency name and title. For example, if you are designating your certified public accountant, CPA, you will list out their name, the agency or company they work for, and their title as CPA. Make sure you don't miss their email address and include their full address. Next, complete the relationship box and list their relationship to you, for example, CPA or spouse. Here's Part 3. This section is not required. By completing this form, you're authorizing your designee to access information for all tax years and all tax programs. If you do want to limit, that must be indicated in this section. Here's Part 4. This section is not required. Only initial in Part 4 if you wish to revoke all previous authorizations to receive tax information. Part 5 is the taxpayer declaration and signature section. When you sign and write out your name and date, you're acknowledging that your designee may receive your confidential tax information. Also, if you're a corporate officer, partner, fiduciaries, or other qualified persons signing on behalf of a taxpayer, you're under penalties for false swearing, also certifying and declaring that you have authority to execute this form. We recommend you double-check everything is complete prior to submitting the form through one of the ways listed at the top. Thanks for watching.